We interact with light 24/7. Our interaction with light is such a large part of our existence. Light defines when we start our day, when we come to work, and when we go to rest. Good lighting keeps our eyes sharp and our body energized. But are we aware of the importance of lighting on the health of our eyes? RONDOpro is a smart desk lamp that senses your needs. With its minimalistic and geometric design and timeless look, a humanistic switch technology, activated by touch and runs on a low energy consumption, high power LED that will last a lifetime, making it a smart and eco-friendly lamp. We are proud to have achieved the ultimate user experience. Our lamp is always checking if there is enough light in your environment. And if you are there, it will notify you to turn it on. In full auto mode, the lamp will even turn on automatically when you approach the workspace. And when you leave, it will turn off automatically. Forget about asking yourself, did I leave the light on? RONDOpro is versatile. Using other bases and light fixtures will make new and exciting lamps. Finally, a little thing we like to call Rondo Smart Night. With this feature, when you go to sleep or leave the office, Rondo will give you a bit more light for your comfort. We designed RONDOpro using high-quality materials, high-grade aluminum die-cast, milled with precision CNC, and other advanced technologies to get the best surface finish and the most precise parts, all coated with the finest high-end finishes. Painted in powder coating and hard anodized technology, all to make sure that RONDOpro will last for a long time. How was RONDOpro born? RONDOpro is an evolution of a graduation project. From the beginning, we knew that we want to design a really minimalistic looking desk lamp. We took inspiration from industrial robots. Their movement is basically limitless. The timing of their movement makes them look like they are dancing. We teamed up with a very talented electronic engineer to create a user experience like no other. We combined the LED with other components like a light and motion sensor and created an innovative touch switch with groundbreaking capabilities. The first time we put the complete lamp on the desk, we understood it's completing the work environment. Our technology and design make the experience of operating a desk lamp really easy, and it will blend seamlessly into your life.
Today, we want you to join our amazing journey and help us make RONDOpro a reality by backing us on Kickstarter.
Make a pledge. Be enlightened with RONDOpro.